All right, this is going to be One Headlight by Jakob. We're going to start out with a little intro. So we got an open D with a 2 here on the G string, and then a hammer on that. Do that twice. Then you can have a little drum thing going. You're going to wait a little bit for that. You're going to wait like 4 beats and then 2 beats of the next measure, and it's going to go. So it's like. And then it's. So 5, 4, open, and then 2 over here. And then we're going to have a chord here, open, and 3. This is the G chord, G power chord type thing. So open on the G, 3 on the second. We're going to go. Dun, 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 dun. So we have a galloping type of rhythm. Bum, ba-da-dum, ba-da. And you see I'm muting the bottom string with this finger, and I'm muting the big string by touching it with my thumb over here. So I just get those 2 notes that I want to hear. So we got a galloping thing. We got 3, 4. Now we're going D power chord, open and 2. And then we're going F sharp power chord. That's 4 and 6 on the top 2. Then we're jumping down here to the 4 and 7. This is a B power chord. Just kind of split that one. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, and a back to G. D. F sharp. B to the A. Now we have a verse. Same type of stuff. Do that again. Okay, so let's take that nice and slow. 3, 4. To the D. Then to the 4 and 6. And then down 4, 7, 2, 5. We'll do it again. Let's try it again. 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 4 and 6. 4 and 7. 2 and 5. Okay, so what happens is we got 2 of those for the verse. We had 2 for the intro, 2 for verse. We got 1 for an instrumental section between verses, 2 more for verses, and then we're going to have this G. It's going to go 2 measures to the F sharp, 2 measures, and then we're into the chorus. G, D, E minor, A, and again, G, D, E minor. 1 more on that A, and then we're back into our main thing, instrumental. And now we're in a verse. It's actually going to be 4 sets of this. So how about for the second set of these 4? Let's go slower. 3, 4. D. 4 and 6 coming up. So here's the third one of the verse. Fourth one, speed up a tiny bit. Now we have the double G. Do it again. And then we have the 4 and 6. Twice also. And then he's like, hey, hey, we're in the chorus again, G, D, E minor, A. We repeat those, G to D, E minor, extra A. Okay, so let's do that one together, the chorus thing. So 2, nice and slow. So I'm gonna do a jang, 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 jigga, jang, jang, jang. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. D, E minor, A. Repeat that. We'll do one more A. Okay, then we're back into an instrumental of the main chords 2 times. So that's your actual speed there. So we got a verse. Let's try to verse together 4 times, nice and slow. 3, 4. Maybe speed up a little bit. Now we got that double G, F sharp, 4 and 6. Hey, hey, chorus. Keep doing that. Okay, so basically you have like 5 times of that and then it's faded out by then. All right, One Headlight by Jakob Dylan. Thanks a lot for watching. There will be a tab along with this, so hope you enjoy it. Talk to you soon.